okay. It's Friday the 12th. Stay there. It's Friday the 12th of May. I am going to spend the night at my friend's house in Nottingham. I'm very excited. It's Kay, who you guys all know. Yeah, it's now 1:20. I've just packed my little case and got my duvet to take, and let's put you on there. Are you gonna balance on the, you'll balance on the laptop. Yeah, I really need to do my hair. Like, we're not going out or anything. We're not going out. I'm just gonna, she loves me. Yeah, I'll take some dry shampoo, maybe that'd be an idea. We're not going out or anything. We're gonna go out tomorrow in Nottingham, but then I'm driving home tomorrow night because I can't get anybody to look after my cats. So yeah, feeding them tonight and then be back tomorrow afternoon. I'm very, very excited to go and see her, and I'm gonna try and vlog properly, not like the absolute chaotic masterpiece that was mine and Becky's weekend. I'm gonna try and do an actual proper vlog, and I want to try and film a video with her as well. Get ready with me video. But yeah, just thought I would say hey. I'm gonna drive. It's like 3 and a bit hours to get there, so I will stop on the way and chat to you, I imagine. Currently eating these, don't need them. Currently drinking this, don't need it. I've got my fuck you necklace on, my favourite thing I own. I'll talk to you in a bit. I've just arrived at Kay's house. It's there. She thinks I'm not going to be here for another 20 minutes, so I'm going to go to Boyda.
Come at me.
I'm fucking coming at you and I'm full of caffeine.
Noisy fucker. Actually got to move your car. Got to fight me on the side.
I'm here with my baby.
Give me kisses immediately.
And she's wearing my dress that I gave her, and it looks beautiful.
This way.
Linda.
He hasn't played with a toy since he was a puppy, but Benjamin said for his birthday he wanted to get Barkley a teddy, because I said, what do you want to get Barkley for his birthday? And he said, I want to get him a toy. So I was like, okay, we'll get him a toy. I was like, Barkley's not going to play with this fucking toy, but Benjamin wants to get him it, right?
She's trying to get a splinter out.
Oh. She needs tools.
Why?
What do you mean? Tools? It's a multi-tool.
We should have planned this better and got tattoos tomorrow.
I mean... Oh. Is it hurting?
No, I'm drunk. What way has it got to come out?
That way. It's making me feel a bit sick now.
It's fine, you can leave it.
No. Leave it.
It's a good one.
What fun is that? Benjamin got one once. I got one once. Oh, I got one in my bum. That was terrible. I had to lay on there, and Will was like on top of my arse, picking it out for me, and Benjamin was standing on my back laughing, and I was filming it, and like, yeah, I'm good.
Right, legs here.
Oh,
What?
no, go on.
What?
I know this one. I know.
Do you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you ready? So you have to I can dry it before you can hit me.
Oh, my bum.
I got a splinter.
Yeah, nothing orthodox about what we did that night.
Ow!
Well, it still seems nice.
Ow!
You about the room.
It doesn't hurt.
Dickhead.
I'm drunk.
I used to be in a small room. This happened in the small room. Twice.
You're my best friend.
He's never gonna give you that room back. Come on, man. You know they have a saying in
Have a sleep. We just had Waggers. It was fucking amazing. Now we're in Tesco. She's trying to find food to feed her husband. She's grumpy because I'm going home.